Have you ever opened PixelLab app before, looking at the blank screen and thought, how do people even make clean logos with this app? Or maybe you have tried before, but your logo still looks somehow off. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step process on how to create a clean professional logo in PixelLab app, even if you're a complete beginner using just your smartphone. But before we jump in, quick one. If you want to learn logo design, thumbnails, and smart mobile design tips that actually works, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future uploads. And make sure you watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, I'll be using AI to enhance the logo design, which we are going to be designing in this video, and take it from basic to premium looking, something most people don't show you. Alright, let's open our PixelLab app right now and let's get started. Now we are on our PixelLab interface right now on our mobile phone. In this video, guys, like I said before, we are going to be creating a professional clean logo design using your smartphone on your PixelLab app right here in this video. And also at the end of this video, we are going to be enhancing our logo design with one of the powerful AI tools or websites we are going to be using in this video. At the end of this video, please stay tuned to the end of the video. Watch step-by-step process on how to make a clean logo design, and later on how to enhance your logo design from basic to premium using your smartphone here in this video. First thing first, what you need to do is to open your PixelLab app right here, as you can see on the screen right now. The first thing you need to do is to upload the image you are going to be using to design your logo. Like in this video, guys, we are going to be designing a photographer logo design here in this video. What you need to do is to click on this plus sign here. Once you click on this plus icon, then the next step is to click on from gallery. This will automatically take you to your phone gallery. What you need to do is to scroll down and click on the image you want to use for your design. As you can see, this is the image you want to use for my design. Then the next step is to click on OK. Then once you click on OK, is to enlarge this image and place it at the center of your design. I will enlarge a little bit and place it at the center of my design. Then the next thing is to click on the layer section with the layer icon. Then I will click on the key icon to lock this image so that the image will not be moving from one place to another. Next thing is to click on close your layer section. Then the next thing is to input your text or the name of the brand or the name of the brand. What I need to do is to click on this plus icon once again and click on the text. Then once I click on the text, then I click on this A alphabet right here on the down screen. Then the next thing is to click on edit. Once you click on edit, is to edit your image, your text, delete the new text, and type the name of your brand. All I need to do, I already have the name of my brand. I will click on my clipboard and paste the name of my brand. Click on done and click on OK. Then the next thing is to enlarge this image, this text. Next thing is to enlarge this text and place it at the center of your design below the camera icon. Then what I need to do, I will scroll down and click on style and click on the style and click on bold to make the text to be bold. Then I'll click on OK. Then please position my text very well to make sure it's at the center of my logo. The next thing is to also input the slogan of the brand. What I need to do, I also click on the plus icon once again, click on text, then I'll scroll down and click on edit. Once I click on edit, I'll delete the new text and paste the slogan of my brand. Click on it, click on done and click on OK. Then what I need to do is to break it down to my design, make it a little bit small, place it at the center of my design. Okay. Then make sure it's properly aligned at the center of my design. Then the next thing is to make it a little bit bold. Click on style and make it bold a little bit so that it will audible and audible for viewers or audible for your client. And next thing is to click on OK. And then the next step is to give it a rounded shape around your logo. All I need to do is to click on the plus icon again. Then I'll click on the shape. Once I click on shape, then the next step is to click on this option and click on the cycle shape right now. Then I'll reduce the opacity to 0. Then I'll increase the stroke weight to 20. Perfect. Then I'll make the color black, the stroke weight color dark. Then I'll click on OK. Then the next step is to enlarge this shape, this cycle shape. I'll enlarge it a little bit. Enlarge it, place it at the center. Make sure it's aligned at the center of my design. Then the next step is to click on this layer section. Then I'll merge everything together. Click on this, check all the boxes. Then I'm click on merge. Yes, confirm, and merge the image all together. Close your layer section and reduce the logo. Place it at the center of your design. Then the next thing is save your logo. Then you are going to take this logo to a powerful AI tools, which I'm going to be showing you right here in this video, to enhance this logo from basic to premium looking using this powerful AI, which I'm going to be using in this video. Stay to the end. If you like this video, what I'm teaching you right now, you can please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more videos, and also comment down in the comment section what you think about this video, and I will be there to respond to your comments. And if you have any question, contribution, you can also share in the comment section. And what you need to do next is to click on this save icon here. Then you click on the save as image. As you click on save as image, then you can the dimension, you can click on ultra mode dimension. Then you click on save to gallery. Once you click to save to gallery, saving, boom, you have already saved this image to your gallery. Okay guys, the powerful AI website or app we are going to be using in this video to enhance our logo design is ChatGPT. Here in this video, we are going to be using ChatGPT to enhance our logo design here in this video. All you need to do is just to follow me step-by-step process, and I'll be dropping the prompt which I'm going to be using in this video in the description of this video. First thing first, what you need to do is to open your ChatGPT, as you can see right here on your phone screen, on my phone screen right now. And the next thing is to upload the image or the logo you designed with PixelLab app. The first thing what you need to do is to click on this plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, is to click on photo. Once you click on photo, this will take you to your gallery. Then click on the logo you designed with PixelLab app. Then click on add. Once you click on add, you wait for it to load. Then the next step is to paste your prompt at the down below your logo. Is to type in your prompt or paste your prompt below your logo design. Then next thing is to click OK to wait for it to run. Then you click on OK. Now it's generating your premium logo design. As you can see, it's generating your premium logo design. Just wait for the image to load. It will generate a premium logo design for you. Just wait for it to load. It's loading. Perfect. As you can see, ChatGPT is downloading. This is how to create your premium logo design using your smartphone. This is the product of my design. As you can see, it's beautiful, look premium, look beautiful. All you need to do is to click on your logo, click on it, and click on save. Boom, you have already created a premium logo design from basic to premium looking logo design, just using your smartphone here in PixelLab app and also in ChatGPT. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, also hit this like button, and also turn on the notification bell for more videos. Anytime we drop new videos just like this, YouTube will be the first to notify you to see our future upload. With that being said, guys, see you in our next video. Peace.